Welcome to Beans, Brews and Bread. Just a quick video today. Thinking of doing a Q&A video in a couple of weeks' time. So if you've got any questions about me, the channel, or any questions about beans, brews or bread, so that's growing, baking or home brewing, then post your questions down below and I'll tote them all up, and in a couple of weeks' time, when I've managed to gather them all in, we'll do a Q&A. Well, this is the glass barn cloche experiment, and we've got some germination on the radishes. That's a great germination. I've taken it off, just moved them along. We've got a few Tom Thumb, I think, coming up here as well, just there on that row. Now, I'm hoping that these will get established over the next couple of weeks without having to put any of the cloches back. But we've also distributed a bit of chicken manure pellets as well. I think there's another row there, but that's not quite as good germination there, as you can see, possibly. That third row, I think that was lettuce as well, Tom Thumb. So we'll see how they've gone along. Over here, where we've moved the cloches, we've put first one here. We've done some Tom Thumb, spring onion and radish, as we did on the tour video for February. So we'll have an update on this one, and then another gap left for another fortnight. We'll do some more lettuce, salad onion and radish again in that one, succession sowing. We did some chimida wrapper in this one, and then for the remaining 1, 2, 3 cloches, we've got Aquadulture Claudia, which we've sown as well. So fingers crossed, the glass barn cloches will do us right for some very early salads. So any questions, pop them down in the comments below and we'll get them answered. Cheers.